I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Voila Cheesy Chicken. This popular frozen meal offers a quick and delicious dinner solution for busy evenings. We'll cover everything from preparing your skillet to serving a perfectly cooked dish. You'll learn how to combine the ingredients, achieve the ideal creamy texture, and enjoy a satisfying meal in just a few simple steps. To begin, grab a large non-stick skillet and place it over medium-high heat on your stovetop. Once the skillet is warm, carefully empty the entire contents of the Voila Cheesy Chicken bag directly into it. For an even creamier sauce, consider adding about 1/2 cup of water or milk at this stage. This helps the sauce develop beautifully as it cooks. Once the contents of your skillet begin to boil, reduce the heat to a steady medium. Cover the skillet with a lid and let it cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, making sure to stir the mixture occasionally to prevent sticking. After this, remove the lid and continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes, stirring more frequently until the sauce reaches your desired thickness. Your Voila Cheesy Chicken is perfectly cooked when the pasta is tender and the sauce is wonderfully hot and creamy. There's no need for additional ingredients. It's a complete meal on its own. For an extra touch, consider serving it alongside a fresh green salad or some warm garlic bread. Any remaining portions can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.